In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just click on this icon, this one at the bottom right corner, if you want to create voice memo and add it instantly within Messages app. Use this button in the middle to record, then restart at any point if you wish to, and either click on red button, listen to it and then attach it, or attach it instantly. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files section. Then pick your file from one of your apps by tapping on Audio at the top, or by selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Let's go with downloads. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. Now, when it comes to creating a video within Messages app or adding one from your gallery, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now operate top portion to record your video, and once you're done, it will be automatically attached to your message. Or hold this line and drag it up to pick your video from here. After tapping on it, hit done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!